Jujube Be Right Back backpack. The print is Black Magic. My sweet son Gray is currently 2.5 months old, so I do have this backpack packed for a newborn. Throughout the video, I'll be showing you some of the features that I think make this bag worth the money. I'll also be showing you how it fits on me so that you can get an idea of how big the bag is when it's fully packed. You can see it is self-standing. It has this great grab strap at the top, which I absolutely love. On the back, it has ergonomic shaped straps, and they are also padded straps for comfort. And then the back is a mesh material, so it is breathable and it's very padded as well. One big plus for me was how much extra adjustment room these straps have, because my husband and I are different sizes, and so it's nice that we can both wear this bag. There's a zipper down the back where you can keep the matching foam changing pad. You can also keep other slim items back here. As you can see here, we have 2 D-rings, which are good if you're going to connect it to any stroller straps or any other type of connections, but for now I just use them for my Arm & Hammer diaper bags. They are scented, which is really nice. I keep these to throw away any dirty diapers if we're out in public, or if I need to store it in my car so it doesn't smell. I also use these bags for any dirty clothes instead of carrying around a wet bag, just because I feel like that's an additional item I need to carry that I might not always utilize. So it does have 2 bottle holders or cup holders on the side. They do have elastic, and this fits in there really nice. And on the other side, I don't keep anything right now, but this could be a quick pocket for another like snack tube. They are insulated. On the front here, it's kind of hard to tell with the pattern, but there is a flap with a thin pocket that does actually have quite a bit of room. It has this clear little case. You can put a picture in there. And in the front pocket, I just keep my Clorox to-go wipes so that I have quick access to wipe down any surfaces while we're out. This pocket is magnetized. We have the mommy pocket. It does have gussets on the sides to keep all your stuff from falling out, which is very convenient. We have this elastic pocket, which only goes to about here, so I just keep my Honest Company grapefruit hand sanitizer in there. And then you have a little glasses pocket, so I do keep my glasses in there. It's made out of this like microfiber material to keep from scratching your glasses. Next to that is this key fob. It is elastic and with a little hook at the end, so I keep my keys on it. And then I keep my Aveda hand cream in here. I keep it not in the elastic, but just in kind of the free space down at the bottom there. It does, however, have this elastic mesh compartment to contain some items, so for that I just keep a pen. You always need that. And then this little toy strap I got off of Amazon. The next pocket here does have a felt lining inside, so I do keep my cell phone and my chapstick, because those are the 2 things I am grabbing for the most. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick in there, and then my iPhone 10, so that fits perfectly in there. Then next is going to be this kind of secret pocket at the top, which I really, really love. And I keep my wallet in here. It is a pretty spacious pocket, so you can keep a lot of other items that you need for just a quick grab. What I really like about this pocket is it is kind of concealed from the front end, so I feel secure having my wallet back there. I don't feel like someone's gonna just come up behind me and snatch it really quick. So this bag does open like a suitcase. So as you can see, one thing I learned from many other people is if you pack it the way you want it initially, you can, instead of opening it and hoping things don't fall all the way out of your bag, you can open to a side or a portion. Like, I know one thing's over here, I can just grab my Be Quick, run to the restroom, and then it's got a perfect spot still ready for me to just slide it back in and close it up. And I don't have to worry about everything falling all over the place. But I have it stacked in there pretty good, so for this video, I don't think anything will fall out, so I'm going to go ahead and open the whole thing down. Like I said, this bag does not have gussets on the side to keep the bag holding itself open. It has this mesh compartment at the very front. I just keep one of those flannel receiving blankets in there. That way, if I need to, I can cover up like a dirty high chair or put something on the ground if we're at a family or friend's house, just to protect him from any dirty surfaces I don't really want him touching without using the blanket I use to cover him up with. So I just keep that in there. There is extra room. Obviously, if you fill the front pockets a lot more, it does kind of impact how much you can put in this pocket, but you still have plenty of room. So as you can see, I have the bag stacked with all the things I need and nothing's falling out. So to start, I have my Skip Hop lunchbox. Next, I have my Be Quick in gray matter. So this is a really spacious piece. I keep this with all my diapering essentials, so I can just run to the bathroom, change him, and I don't have to carry this whole bag with me and find space to keep it without putting it on the bathroom floor. So I keep a kind of a travel size Desitin, my Baby Bumco spatula, which is this little spatula, silicone, and you use it to apply diaper cream to your baby's bottom. I absolutely love this. I do not like to put diaper cream on my fingers because I feel like it always gets under my nails. It has a little suction cup. You can stick it to things, clean it, put it back in this little travel case, and I love the travel case in case this isn't completely sanitary. You can take it home and clean it, and it protects that spatula from touching all your other things. So absolutely love it. I also have the larger size one on my changing table in his room. Next, I have a 32 count pack of Huggies wipes. You can get the 32 count of Huggies in the travel section at Target. I believe they're the only brand that sells like a travel size where it's a little bit smaller, so you're not bringing your 72 count. So I find these to be really, really nice. It fits in here nicely without taking up too much extra space. And then I have 3 size 1 diapers, but I could easily fit maybe 6 in here. I just haven't refilled it. And then it does have this nice pocket in the back. I don't keep anything in it right now, but you could keep onesie or maybe feminine products or whatever you might need in there. There's plenty of extra room at the top here, and it closes nicely. So you can see I still have so much room where I could fit more things. I have my Jujube Be Organized medium. It is in the gray matter as well. And then this one, I just keep my Cooper Pearl nursing cover, car seat cover, which I utilize for both. And then I keep a change of clothes in here for him. I have a onesie, an extra burp cloth, and an extra bib because he is a spitter. There is so much room in this medium-sized piece that you could fit additional items. Next, in the large, I have just my Sully wrap in here. So I like to carry my Sully wrap everywhere I go in case I need to baby wear him for any reason. It's always a good option just to have. And I also absolutely love the Sully wrap. It has this own self-containing pocket, and the material is really soft and it's breathable. He feels so much more secure than other wraps I've tried, so absolutely love this. We have this elastic mesh pocket, so I have the small Be Organized back here, and I keep this as kind of my little first aid kit. I have saline drops, just some baby lotion, a little pill case, ibuprofen, Tylenol, Pepto pills, dental floss because you're always somewhere when you need dental floss and it's never at home. 2 Band-Aids, and then 2 feminine products for me in case I need them while we're out, or anyone else. I'm always willing to share. You could definitely fit more items in here. I just like to carry the essentials. And then last in this pocket, I have some Munchkins Passy wipes, which are 100% food grade. So you can wipe down the passies with it and then put it back in their mouth and don't have to worry about harsh chemicals. So those fit in there nicely. And then last, you have these elastic straps. I don't keep anything in there right now, but I guess in the future I could keep like blanket rolls, additional clothes. I've seen people put their wallets in here if it was long enough. You could also keep like one of those snack tubes. Like I said, as your children grow, your bag contents will change, so the way you organize is just going to keep evolving. So right now I have no use for it. It is the pocket. This is where my wallet is. So if you needed more space in here, you would just have to take your whatever you have in this top back pocket out and it would create a little more space, but everything fits in there perfect for me. So I'll just put everything back. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.